and fellow hobbies! Welcome to another Saturday morning show. I'm your host Gary G, and this week we continue with the Orange Super 4. But first, as always,
The riddle!
the riddle! Who built the smoking white owl? A. Albert Guthrie, B. Mickey Thompson, or C. George Morris? The answer is always at the end of the show. Last week we finished all 4 engines of the Orange Super 4. Now this week let's have a look on the chassis. So follow me down
To the garage!
to the garage. First step here in the garage, assembly the differential. Time to cut out the frame. But for now, back to the studio. Next step to our Orange Super 4 is the interior, which of course is not too fancy because it's a racing car. So another time down to the garage. Yes, of course, in a racing car you don't need no shimmer and no glitter. So, therefore there's not too much in the interior. But we started first with the shifter. No way that we could break that thing down just with normal brake discs. That's why we have a parachute. But now, back to the studio. The Smoking White Owl was a rear-engine dragster built in 1954. But who built the Smoking White Owl? In the riddle! At the end of this show, I want to thank you all for tuning in, my friends. Actually, not just for tuning in, also for subscribing like crazy. I think we had 500 or something right now, right?
We're at 500 subscribers.
Well, that's cool. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you next Saturday at Car Dreams in Styrene. And don't forget, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks.
Bye, y'all. See you next Saturday.
Bye, y'all. It's gonna be rusty and it's gonna be dusty.